This is not the actual film, it is a remix created by the peer-to-peer ecosystem. The film was extracted via the online swarm. It was then recorded into a VHS tape. The IPs present in the swarm were logged in a text file, which ended up being printed into a binary text. The VHS tape was unloaded from the casing and was placed behind a ruler. Each centimeter was interpreted as a 0 or a 1. Just like a binary value. The order was read and assigned over the tape. A pair of buzz magnets about 1 centimeter in diameter were used to delete the 0 values in the tape. The buzz magnets were set on top of the ruler. Big magnets delete magnetic tape, similar to an empty binary character, just like a 0. Approximately 66 IP addresses can remix 70 meters of tape. The final capture from the VCR is an audiovisual remix for the commercial film, protected as the holy good that must not be touched or used elsewhere but the heavenly consumer market. Taken down from YouTube. The only way it can circulate is by the autonomous network, which resists the copyright regime. The same process will be repeated using the same file for the last Baywatch VHS edition, and it's triggered each time a new VHS edition is rejected by the Content ID system from YouTube, creating a loop between centralized and decentralized networks. A measure is created by the relation between the magnetic tape's length and the total running time from the video. It is denominated VHS centimeter, and it's crucial to assign the duration time of an IP address which will constitute textual images, also known as ASCII images. The programming code used 3 character strings to create an ASCII visual composite out of text. This is the IP address, the BitTorrent client, and the country code. 41 IP addresses were used to conform the total running time for the illegally obtained film in question, the Emoji movie. 3,000 video frames were used for each IP in average. The ASCII image consists of characters which equal a certain brightness value, depending on the visual space they take on screen. The audio was modified to resemble the lo-fi effect for the ASCII aesthetic. The third edition, titled MOSAIC, takes up the technical principles already mentioned, and focuses in avoiding a copyright strike on YouTube, as well as distributing panels in a different space. Pitch Perfect 3 is fragmented in 9 panels and audio tracks with different frequencies. The RGB values are modified on After Effects by the first 3 segments for the infringing IP addresses. The server cannot identify each panel. The MOSAIC creates a new network outside the screen and the digital content surveillance, almost shaping an analog network on the physical space. Let's find a place where sharing will flourish. Take everything from the past and your surroundings, and make different configurations with it.